Out with the old, in with the new. Let's replace or install a new kitchen faucet by Yitahome. Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today we will be installing this Yitahome touch-on kitchen faucet. We will also be doing a little small repair under the kitchen sink and just a small organization under the kitchen sink. This touch-on kitchen faucet is amazing, guys. It is amazing by Yitahome. It has everything you need to install. The only tools you will need is a screwdriver, a wrench, and a pan to catch any water that may leak. As you can see here, my hubby is putting batteries in the battery box. You will need 4 AA batteries. Now hubby is shutting off the water lines, and I have 2 here. And making sure all of the water is out of the faucet line. He's unhooking the old faucet. And the water lines. And I'm saying bye-bye to the old kitchen faucet. Now let's install the new faucet by Yitahome. Now Yitahome supplied these white gloves for installation. Putting on the gloves as he installs the faucet. He's tightening up the nut gasket, as well as showing how they have labeled the hot and cold lines or hoses. It is so beautiful. It's chrome, it's sleek. Now as he is tightening up underneath the kitchen sink, I am holding it in place. And guys, I screwed up here. I messed up here and had it turned the wrong way, but we did correct it later. because it's a tight space, I am showing the water lines hook up.
It's called the touch faucet controller.
Now this is the HR028 box. This controls the touchless feature. The only thing I could say about this, hubby wished that the stem that connects to the hose was longer, because under the kitchen sink it is very, very tight, and it took him quite a bit of time to get it connected. But as you can see here, it works, and I am loving it. I am loving this touch feature. Just a little touch and it cuts on or off. And it's a touch of a little button, and you can go from spray to stream, or from stream to spray. But again, I love the sleekness, the chrome look. This faucet does come in black. I've seen it in black, but it is a very, very nice touch on kitchen faucet. Now guys, I'm sharing with you the damage under my sink. One morning we were having coffee and we heard water running, and we was like, what is this? And a pipe burst up under the kitchen sink. Thank God we were home and the damage was just under the kitchen sink. So hubby is going to repair this the best way he can. The wood portion, he did already repaired the kitchen sink, the pipe. So he placed wood down, and it was so difficult that he had to piece this wood because of the piping, the plumbing. Do you see all that up under my kitchen sink? So he pieced together the best that he could. And now to cover all of that, because you know I have to make it pretty, I have some easy liner. It is removable vinyl, and I'm just going to do some simple install here by just placing it towards the front of the cabinet. Now for my organization up under the sink, due to all of this piping or this plumbing, I have to keep things very, very simple. And I found this little caddy here, this chrome caddy, thrifting for $1. And I've had this under here, so anything that you see, I've had already. I purchased these containers from Target, and I have my wool pads, my kitchen sponges, and then I have one more container that I need to fill with my Cascade dishwasher tablets. And I placed all 3 of these containers in this caddy, and they fit perfectly in it. Now I have this container here, this bin, that I like to put all of my kitchen cleaning supplies in, by Weiman. And I can't turn it the way I had it, but I'm going to turn it facing me towards the front, and I'm placing all of my cleaning products in it. I'm keeping this very simple, guys. I'm placing everything that I use in my kitchen, from stainless steel cleaner to granite countertop cleaner. And these products are by Weiman. This is not sponsored by them. I just love and been using their products for many, many years. And that's how it looks so far. And I have a big bottle of Dawn, which I use in my kitchen and all over my house, mixing different products to clean with Dawn. That's why I have a big bottle. And for those pesky wasp or bugs, I have my spray here. Now, since I am limited under the kitchen sink, I have an over-the-door caddy that I will hang on one of these doors here that I picked up from Target years ago. And I will place more products that I use at my kitchen sink and my dishwasher. And guys, if you don't know about this Dawn product here, I'll fill you in very soon, but it is a must-have. And then I cannot forget my cleaning gloves, and I'm placing them in the caddy. But guys, this is it. I'm not doing any more. I'm not placing any more. This is everything that I use under my kitchen sink. But guys, I am enjoying this new faucet. Information about Yitahome, this touch-on kitchen faucet, will be listed in my description box down below, as well as a coupon code for a discount on it. You will love it if you are in need of a beautiful kitchen faucet. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I consider myself blessed that you are a part of the blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys.